Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to edit pen tool shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Step 1. Edit already added shapes. Click the pen tool, right click, add anchor point or press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, then move anchor point and add this anchor point. Click and move, add anchor point, click and move. Change the color, add stroke, size, stroke, press Ctrl T, resize, press Ctrl T, hold shift, then drag and resize. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.